Hi, my name is Claudine Gallagher and I am the founder and CEO of Dedication Real Estate Corporation in the Philippines. I am an active rental property investor. If you want to learn about property investing in the Philippines, please don't forget to like and share and subscribe so I can notify you with my upcoming video. In this video, I will be sharing with you why a condo is not a good rental investment compared to house and lot. So, when we talk about investment, we want to buy something that will give us money or passive income into our pocket. The definition of an investment is the action or process of investing money for profit. I'm not an expert by any means, but this is from my own personal experience. If you buy a property with debt, such as mortgage, you will have to pay off the amortization each month as well as for other operating expenses. So now, let's look at buying condo versus buying a house and lot. For example, if you buy your one-bedroom condo for 6.5 million pesos at 80% loan to value from BDO, so meaning you put down 20% which equals to 1.3 as a down payment, and you take out a mortgage to cover the 80% for 15 years for the amount of 5.2 million pesos. If you are an OFW, there is a limit on the mortgage term. They BDO normally give 15 years is the maximum. If you are local, like if you live in the Philippines, you will have the possibility to get 30 years mortgage. Going forward, according to the BDO loan calculator, you would have a payment of 45,298 pesos principal and interest each month. So do you think this is a good investment? In my opinion, there are better investments out there that are less risky. So if you intend for this property to be an investment, we need to rent it out to a tenant. To rent this apartment, you will need to find a tenant to pay at the very least 45,298 pesos if you want to cover the mortgage each month. This is also before the other costs such as insurance and taxes on the unit which are due each year. You will also have to cover the management and maintenance of the unit. If the toilet breaks or if there is a leak in kitchen, for example, the tenant will expect to call someone to organize a handyman to come around and fix it and for you to pay for that cost. HOA fees or homeowner association fees are also an extra bill with condos which the property developer requires to maintain the building and to pay for the reception and cleaning staff. In my experience, this always increases as time goes by. So now, let's look at a house and lot for exactly the same price and mortgage payment of 45,298 per month. Let's assume that this property is in a normal residential neighborhood, say for example in Barangay Pembo in Makati, near BGC where the big businesses are. So, if you buy a property there, you will own the land for as long as you don't sell it. Unlike a condo where you don't own the land. You will have to check with the property developers on how long you will own your leasehold condo. I believe the longest agreement you will have with developer is 50 years before you have an option to renew. So once you buy this house and lot, you will have the ability to turn it into a multi-unit collection of apartments. You can then rent them out to tenants similar to the condo. This construction work is usually quite cheap and I would recommend creating unfurnished studio apartments. For this example, let's say you create 10 studios. I would also recommend you make each apartment self-metered so that your tenants will be responsible for any electricity and water they use. Since the area is not as upmarket as the condo, the rent you can charge is lower. However, if you have, for example, 8 units instead of 1 in the condo, you can charge, say, 10K per unit. If you charge 10K per unit, you will generate 80 each month. You will also have 8 tenants, so it's a lot less risky than one tenant paying a high rent at a condo. For example, if the tenant in the condo was to lose their job, they cannot pay your rent and you cannot pay your mortgage. It may also take time for them to get another job or for you to evict them and to find another tenant who is willing to pay for the high rent. With the house and lot, if one of your tenants loses their job, you still have 7 other tenants paying rent. While this isn't good news, you will still be able to make your mortgage payment of 45,298 pesos each month with plenty of money to pay for the monthly operating expenses. It should also be much easier to find a replacement tenant if they cannot get another job because the rent is cheaper compared to the condo. So now let's look at the cost each month. Similar to the condo, you will still need to get a management company to manage property if you cannot do it yourself. There are many property management companies and yours truly also provide this kind of service. If you would like to know, please don't forget to send me private messages. I can also help you if you already an investor in the Philippines. You will also have to pay for the insurance and taxes each year. In my experience, these operating expenses are much cheaper on a house and lot than on a condo. Lastly, you will not have to pay HOA fees like with the condo. These fees, these fees are due regardless of whether the unit is vacant or not. In my experience, HOA fees constantly increase over time and can take a big piece out of your cash flow each month. So I hope this video has shown you that a high-cost condo in Makati is both riskier and more costly than a similarly priced house and lot in Makati. In a converted house and lot, your costs are lower and you can spread your risk across more tenants. You also own the land, which you can pass down to your family as a legacy to your smart investing. If you like the content in this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I share it with any of your friends that may be interested in investing. It's my mission on this channel to make as many as Filipino wealthy from real estate investing and financially free to be able to spend as much time with their family as possible. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on my next video.